How to fix Twitter account not found on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter account not found on any Android phone. First open settings and then click battery and disable power saving mode. Maybe you'll find it like that. Just disable it and then click here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Twitter, and here we'll find force stop. Click on it and click storage and then click clear cache, and after that just click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and then just click Play Store and check if there is an update and update your Twitter, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.